Okay, I rework this one. This one is one pin of your tactic switch. That's the other pin of your tactic switch. The switch is good. So this pin is input and connect to here. I show it. So 0 ohm right now. And this pin should be go to this via. Okay. That's it. Okay. Oh, I didn't touch it. Touch here. Okay. Yeah, touch here. That's okay. That's 0 ohm. Need to touch it firmly. Okay, it's soldered. So this trace is lost, and this trace is lost too. So I use a 2 small wire. And the others fine. This is fine under a microscope. Those are fine. The other side, they are symmetric. They're symmetric, so those are fine. And that one, okay. This one, the trace just fall off, but it's still touched, so I didn't do anything to here. And this one, the trace is lost, and it connect to the via here. It is trace? No, it's not this trace. So it's the trace to here. Yes, to here. So this trace to here, 0 ohm. So I use a short wire. So now it's soldered, and the others fine. So basically, I rework the 3 places. And the problem of this PCB is the copper foil maybe has only maybe it only has a ½ ounce. So I don't think that's an impedance control board. So I think the manufacturer tried to lower the cost to the minimum. So they use a ½ ounce copper, and the quality of the PCB and the copper, the FR4, I mean, and what's called the substrate, I mean, all the adhesive to glue the copper to the substrate FR4 is so poor. So it's not a reworkable. When you rework, you need to pay great attention, otherwise the copper will fall off. So that's a manufacturing problem. But so far I reworked those places, and the other solder joints I just resoldered, so it's looks beautiful, so fine. I hope you can continue your work with the rework board. Thank you.